Yeah, so I'm headed out to the shop where my car is, where both of my cars are. Well, both of the Cutlasses. I got a lot of cars, but both of the Cutlasses. So I'm headed out to the shop where the Cutlass is, and I'm gonna try to get some good footage in, get some good work in today. Um, I'm uh, I'm still filming the Trailblazer SS and also the Candy Orange Donk. So I'll probably be heading out to Twin City sometime to film those and get the finishing footage of those or whatnot, because you know those cars. I mean, both of them are done for the most part. But yeah, you know what I'm saying. Lots of good content coming your way. Stay tuned. I'm most definitely gonna be keeping you guys up to speed on the build, on the Cutlass build and everything. And you know, I kind of ran into a little dilemma on the Cutlass, but nothing too crazy. I had to send the motor out to get machined a little bit and get it sleeved and all that stuff. So it's all good. You know, it's gonna turn out pretty sweet by the time it's all said and done. So yeah, man. You know, I'm super excited. You know what I'm saying? So you know, most definitely, Wavy Team is most definitely gonna be pretty much seeing the whole entire build of this car, start to finish, no shortcuts. You know, the black Cutlass, the one that was the one that used to be gold. That car, y'all kind of, you know, so I didn't get a chance to really film a lot of what I did to that car. Good, because on this car right here, y'all gonna see pretty much the ins and outs of what I did to it. The wheel selection, y'all gonna be a part of the wheel select, all of that stuff. So you know, y'all stay tuned, because I got so much good stuff coming y'all way, man. Y'all don't even know it. And the motor's gonna be nasty. I'm telling y'all. If it's not making 1,000 horsepower, I'm taking it back to the drawing board, like for real. Or at least, let me be real with myself, I would say at least about, you know what I'm saying, I say at least 800-900, you know what I'm saying, 800-900 horsepower, which means I'll be putting out about a good 800. If I'm counting 800 horsepower at the crank, you gotta be counting about 7 at the wheels. To the wheels I'm putting down, you know what I'm saying. You're counting on 900 at the crank, I'm counting 800 at the wheels at least, you know what I'm saying. So that's pretty much how I do it. And you know, my saying is, wheel horsepower is real horsepower. That's real numbers right there. Wheel horsepower is real horsepower. No matter what you put down at the crank, that don't mean nothing. I'm sorry, it means nothing. That number is non-existent. Whatever you put down at the ground is what you're making. That's real horsepower right there. So y'all stay tuned along this drive. So y'all, you know what I'm saying, as soon as I get there, I got y'all. So I got y'all. Just real quick, just kind of giving y'all a quick example of how you can make candy with spray paint. And then from here, all you're doing is, like I told y'all before, anything is possible, right? So I know a lot of people go, oh man, it's orange peel like crazy. You're not gonna see that orange peel when I shoot that clear on top of it. I'm shooting a real clear on top of it. I'm gonna West Hand buff it. And as you can see, there's no clear on this at all. This is all can. It's all spray can. So let me show y'all how I did this. So what I did was sprayed my dark steel metallic paint primer and shot this metal cast. And this paint spray actually kind of pretty hot. Both of them are actually. And then out of both of those, I got this. And it's real candy, as you can tell. Real candy. And it turned out, it looks really good. It's dark in there, of course. I ain't worried about none of that. Like I said, it's not gonna be a show car. I'm just gonna shoot some clear on top of it and call it a day. wet sand and buff it, make it look really nice, and then that's pretty much all I'm doing to it. And like I said, you can do this at home in your garage. You can do it, I mean, hell, outside. Outside I wouldn't recommend, because I mean the spray is gonna go everywhere. It's not gonna lay down like it's supposed to. But as long as you're inside of a controlled environment, like a room that's controlled or whatever, you're good. You know, you have nothing to worry about. And like I said, this turned out nice, you ask me. I think it looked really good, you ask me. rods, everything done. Dash done, everything. This is dope. And just so y'all know, it's got water on it, but still, that's that pearl in it. That's flashing.